Okay, so the ETX ran real nice for about 10 minutes, and I just shut it off because, well, 15 minutes, because I wanted to start the Enjomor, and I wanted to say a couple words about it. I got the switch back here that I guess is not visible from this side, but this is the new box that we put on it the other day, and I did get the switch on it, so I'm gonna open the valve a little bit. When I filled it, I don't know if it primed or not, so I'm gonna just give it a little flip here. Yep. Alright. It did run a lot of fuel up into it. There we go. There we go. Alright. Gotta find a way to hold this down a little bit better. But alright, I'm gonna have to move all this around to make sure that this is a little bit on a more stable spot. But the switch works, so that's nice.